Starting off on the right foot with your landlord and maintaining a good and healthy relationship is crucial for a successful and stress-free tenancy. The tone of the relationship between you and your landlord can impact how smoothly things go throughout your time as a tenant. Building a positive relationship with your landlord can help ensure that your needs are met, repairs are made in a timely manner, and any issues that arise are handled efficiently. You can be assured that there will come a time when you need something special or some special consideration from your landlord. So, how can you make your landlord like you and be prepared to work together with you? Here are some tips. Paying your rent on time. There is no grace period for paying rent, and tenants can be evicted for non-payment. Paying your rent on time is one of the most important things you can do to establish trust with your landlord. Follow the lease agreement. The lease is a contract between the tenant and the landlord, and tenants should abide by its terms. You should not sign the lease agreeing to the terms and conditions of the rental agreement and then later decide on your own to not honor these written terms and conditions. Allow access for repairs and inspections. Tenants should allow the landlord access to the rental property for repairs and inspections. The rules of when a landlord may enter a rental unit after giving proper notice are clearly defined in the Ontario Residential Tenancies Act. Denying your landlord access to your rental unit may have serious consequences. Communicate with the landlord. Tenants should keep the landlord informed of any issues or concerns they have with the rental unit. Open and direct communication with your landlord will ensure a successful relationship that translates into a long-term tenancy and an open relationship. Good communication can help avoid misunderstandings and guessing games, which can lead to tension between two parties. In summary, good communication with your landlord is essential for establishing a successful relationship, avoiding misunderstandings, resolving issues quickly, and preventing legal issues. Be a good neighbor. Tenants should be respectful of their neighbors and avoid causing disturbances. Tenants can disturb other tenants in various ways, including making excessive noise, causing damage to the property, or engaging in illegal activities. If a tenant violates the quiet enjoyment clause of their lease or rental agreement, and if a tenant is disrupting other tenants in a rental property, it is the landlord's obligation to investigate the situation and take any necessary action. Damage to the rental unit. Most damages are caused by negligence and poor housekeeping standards of tenants. Aside from property damage, the accumulation of garbage often results in a pest infestation in the rental unit. Intentional damages are caused by tenants on purpose, such as smashing windows, tearing up carpet, and punching holes in the walls. Maintaining a good relationship with a landlord is advisable for tenants for several reasons. 1. It can make the renting process pleasant for all parties involved. A tenant who has a good relationship with their landlord is more likely to respect the property and policies, reducing the chance of late rent payments and rental arbitrage. 2. Tenants who establish a good relationship with their landlord are more likely to have their small maintenance requests addressed promptly and can be more forgiving when it comes to rent payments. 3. A strong landlord-tenant relationship can reduce turnover and vacancy rates, as tenants may be more likely to renew their lease and leave positive reviews on their experience to help attract prospective tenants in the future.